Okay, so let's just learn a little tiny bit about working with Cloud9 and GitHub and getting the two of them working together so that we're happy with what they do. Let's go over here and we'll create a new, I have too many repositories, right? Let's create a new repository in GitHub and we'll call it the video temp 01, and we'll initialize it with a README, and we'll go ahead and we'll call create repository. Okay, so now we've got a repository with a README file in it, and we're going to go over to Cloud9, and then you'll see on Cloud9 that down at the bottom there's a list of projects on GitHub. See them there? And we'll scroll down to the bottom. We'll hit this little refresh guy here, and we'll scroll back down to the bottom, and there he is, Video Tempo 1, right? So now we're going to go into Cloud9, and let's go ahead and make this a Node.js project, just because that's what we've been building recently. And we'll go ahead and choose Create. And then we'll choose Start Editing. And now we come in here and you can see our URL comes up here to Video Tempo 1. And here's our file that we created in Git, the README file. And we can go, this is more information in the README file. And then what we'll do is we'll go down here, we'll save our work. I press Control S to save the work. And we'll go down here to the terminal window. And here I'll type git status. And you can see that it's showing me that our README file is modified. So I'll use git add, and I have two choices here. I could either explicitly add the file, or I could just say add everything that needs to be added, which in this case is two ways of saying the same thing. And then I would go git commit updated README file. And then I would go git push. And now it's pushed up there. If I come back over to here, you can see what our file looked like, and I'll refresh it. And now here you can see the line that we added has been added in here. Then just to emphasize this for 1 sec, let's come over here and choose new file, and we'll call it server.js. And then we won't do anything very interesting with this file. We'll just do a console.log hello, and we'll save our work. Then we come down here to our terminal window. We'll go git status, and you can see that server has been modified. So we do a git add period git commit adding server file with console statement, and then git push, and we push it, and we come back over here, and we'll do a refresh here, and now you can see there's our server file. It's been added into Git, and you can actually see the line in it. That was all I wanted to show you, just give you a little sense of how to work back and forth between Git and Cloud9. All right, thank you guys now. Have a good day.